I wasn't thinking at first. So I used my screwdriver and I used the ratchet to get this off. But the best thing to do is use a drill.
Yeah, it's doing 2 time. Hey, subscribe to my channel, Buddha. He got power. Yeah, it's doing 2 time. I do everything.
What's good with the YouTube, man? We're back with another video, man. I know, man. Guys do the same, but in the day, man, we making a whole different video, man. So today we're gonna take this alternator off, man. We got another alternator coming, man. We gotta go pick up real quick. So right now we're gonna have to loosen this bolt so we can definitely tighten this belt down. So the way I do it, man, I try not to do too much. I try to take all the belts off and do all that stuff. I just try to keep everything the same. So I can see right here, I got a big thick wire running from here back around to here. So I didn't know if that matters, but we're gonna take that off. So I think this is 13. I think, and first thing first, I don't know anything touching. So with that being said, I'm gonna unloosen the beta cable, which I already got it unloosened. So we're gonna do all that, and guys, we're gonna take this bad boy off, man, and go on and replace the alternator. Yeah, for the dip. Loosen this up, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and I'm gonna make sure I take the right one up there so I can get the right one. They did say these pulleys be different, like the cheap one, you're gonna have to change the pulley out, and the higher one, I think it's the original one, but I'm gonna take it up there because I don't want to get the wrong pulley and having to go back. That's what I don't want to do. Now I'm gonna get something there. This is a 14 down here. Okay. What it say? So I'm gonna ease my belt off just like that. Just to ease it off. I can use my hand now to get up in there. So apparently on my alternator, there's only 2 bolts that's holding this alternator. it off, man, and go ahead and get another one. I had a ground right here. So, we're finna go and do that, guys. Alright guys, so yes sir, man, we about to go ahead and change everything, guys. I know I gotta let y'all know I gotta do things piece by piece, you know what I'm saying? I usually do stuff in a lump sum, but it really kind of got to me, you know what I'm saying, because I just spent so much big portion of something and then put it, you know, did everything at once. I was like, man, I gotta think about later. So that's when I started to do piece by piece. You know, you can do it like if you get paid weekly or 2 weeks, just do it like that. You know, put something back forward. So that's kind of what I do, man. Stay motivated, keep content rolling in instead of putting everything one by one. I can kind of keep content on new things. You know what I'm saying? Y'all do me a favor. Y'all new to the channel, man. Y'all subscribe, like, comment, turn post notifications on. Don't forget to check out your boy channel, man. Doing lifestyle, man. I also building my second channel up. It's getting there. So he got power on my second channel. OTM, man, getting out the mud, y'all. Y'all already know, man. This is day 2 for me. Actually, it's the same day, but it's day 2 for y'all. We're gonna make it do what it do, guys. So let me type this address in, and I'm gonna head that way, man, and we'll catch y'all back up shortly. All right, so as y'all can see, I got the new alternator. We're about to go home now and go ahead and put it on, man. Yeah, guys, man, the only thing about it that I hate, that I gotta change the pulleys. Like, we tried 3 alternators and they all got the same pulley, but it's different than the one I got. So I gotta now change the pulleys out. So it's all good. We'll do that. I did it before, so we're gonna go ahead and change the pulleys out, man. So we'll show y'all, you know, how I'm gonna do it and go from there, man, and put it on and hook it up, go from there. All right, guys, so we on our way home, man. We in the Jacktown for the head to the crib. I'm also got my cousin coming, man, to mount my TV up, so I'm trying to get there so I can have time to move some stuff around. So we got the car wash over here, man. They detailing everything. Guys working, man. You gotta salute guys out here in the hot, grinding, working, man, feeding their family, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta salute them. So guys, we'll catch y'all back, man, when we get to the crib. All right, we're home. We're home, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and take this stuff off. See how I'm gonna do this. That tight, y'all. So I already slipped the screwdriver in here. Now I'm doing this. Be real careful doing it. Real careful. Oh. this anyway, I'm only using my pulley. So the same way I take it out, it's gonna be the same way I put it in. Alright guys, so this is what I did to my old one. So what I did was I used my screwdriver to get this because I wasn't thinking at first. So I used my screwdriver and I used the ratchet to get this off. But the best thing to do is use a drill. You use a drill, you can go ahead and pop it off instead of you doing that. You know what I'm saying? So somebody showed me how to do it. So get your drill, pop it off. Try not to do it too tight, because what happened, I end up just doing it kind of tight a while ago and it kind of stopped on me. So I do it to where just ease up on it just a little bit so it can be freely. First, take the tag off. That bolt off my power. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back on. That's how you install a brand new alternator. Brand new alternator, changing out the pulley. Just changed the starter. So guys, we're about to go ahead and give it a shot and see what she do, man. We're about to go on and fire on up. Alright guys, got it ran. It's running fine. She's purring. Doing what she's supposed to do. Got it on. Everything running fine. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Sound better. In the meantime, guys, we got that. Thank y'all for watching the video. Thank y'all for staying tuned. And like I said, man, we got everything under control. Everything back hooked up, battery, ground, all that stuff. So my next thing is getting a valve cover gasket. And we're gonna eventually change this fan. We're gonna eventually change this fan out one day. Alright guys, man, y'all stay tuned. Appreciate y'all watching the video, man. I hope y'all like, man. Subscribe.
Yeah, it's doing 2 time. Hey, Buddha. Yeah, it's doing 2 time. I do everything. Yeah, it's doing lifestyle. Check out my podcast, doing lifestyle. I do everything. Yeah, I do everything. Yeah, subscribe. I do everything. Yeah, I'm coming like a train. Took the horn up. You know I'm doing my fucking